Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can run Instagram ads using your phone. You don't need to pay people to run it for you. It is a simple process and it is something you can do. Let me share my phone screen with you so that you see how I'll be running this simple process briefly. So the first thing we need to do is head on to our Instagram account. So when we head on to the Instagram account, you come to your dashboard here. I've head on to my account, want to run this advert. First things first that we need to do is this professional dashboard. You are going to select it. See, you just have to click on the professional dashboard and to take us to the next interface whereby we are going to proceed with our ads. Now, if you look at here, you see add to this add to, right? So this add to is what we'll be using, is what we are going to click. I'm going to click on the add tools now so that we can run our ad. Now, if you have a post you want to post, it is fine. But I don't know, maybe this app is outdated, it's not showing me. So I'm just going to go and upload my advert. The advert I'll be running is about CapCut. I'm running adverts on CapCut. So I'm just going to post it. So it will look like I want to boost a post. All right. Here is the flyer for the ads I want to run. You can see I've posted it on my page. Now I'm going to click on next and we are going to be doing the next thing. Please, if you are not following, hit the follow button, like this video, also drop a comment for us. Tell us what you need, tell us what you want us to do for you in our next video, and we are going to do that for you. Now it has taken us here. What are we going to do next? Do you want people to go to a website? What is your landing page? I want people to message me on WhatsApp. I don't want anybody to message me on Instagram. I want messages on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be setting it here. So the next thing I'm going to click on is the message you button here. So I'm just going to click on it and just open. Now you can see, because I've been using it before, I've already automatically set it for my messages to only come to WhatsApp, not Instagram, not Facebook. Now do you want to edit the action button, chat on WhatsApp, contact us now? Chat on WhatsApp is okay by me. I'm just going to hit on save and I'll click on next. You can see it is a very simple process. And I've already selected an audience, but if you don't know how to select your audience, all you have to do is follow Instagram suggested audience for you. It is going to run your ads perfectly. Your ad is going to reach the people that it is supposed to reach. But I have my preference and which I've selected, so I'm just going to select on it CapCut and click on next. And the next thing, the duration of how long you want your ads to run, I'm going to reduce it to just a day. I want my ads to run for just a day, and I'm going to click on next and see the budget is not too much. On this preview, you can see it means you want to see how your ad is going to show. Now let's click on it and see how our ad will be displayed. So you can see it. Do you want this ads to run on Facebook? Yeah, we can leave it to run everywhere. Yes, you can just leave it like this. So the next thing is we are going to spend, total amount we are going to spend for this ad is showing right here. You can see it. This is the total amount we'll be spending for the ad. Now the next thing you need to do is click on post, and to take you to where you are going to fund your wallet. You can fund using your ATM card. When it takes you to this option, you just click on skip. Except if you have a business, if you are running a website that is registered, you put your VAT. So now it has taken us here, everything looking good, chat on WhatsApp, call to action. Now we are going to click on boost post. Payment method, my ATM card is already there. I've already included it. So I'm going to click on boost post. See, all set for review. Your ad is in review. You can check it. You can check its status in add to. You can see it is as simple as that. Now Instagram is going to go through my ads. They are going to check everything necessary, and if my ads is okay, they will start posting my ads. It is as simple as that. There's nothing stressful. If you have any issue trying to run an ad, please tell us in the comment section, or you can come to my DM and I will respond to you and I will help you to sort it out. If you are seeing me for the first time, please follow, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post new content and things that will help you, just like this very video you are watching, because I know you're enjoying it and I know you're liking. Hit that subscribe button right now.